Are you tired of spending hours mentioning all your friends on Facebook one by one? Well, we've got some great news for you. In this tutorial, we're going to show you a simple hack that will save you time and energy. We'll teach you how to mention everyone in a post or comment with just one click. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn this game-changing feature that will help you connect with your Facebook friends more efficiently. First, head over to one of your Facebook groups and create a post. We'll use a random post for this example and tag everyone in the group. To mention all your friends, simply type the @ symbol on your keyboard, then select @everyone. This will notify all friends in the group about your post. However, it's important to note that this feature is only available once a day, and not all groups or accounts have access to it. If you don't see this option in your account, reach out to Facebook for support and be patient while waiting for this feature to become available. Watch this tutorial now and start easily mentioning all your friends on Facebook.